just met Vin Diesel.
No, we didn't.
It's already tilting too already.
I was lucky this last one that I was able to do it.
Oh,
Ay, ay, ay.
wow.
Oh.
But it's this is the hardest part now. This is like whatever side you put it on, it may just tip it. Oh!
Oh my God.
Third day in Miami. We are going to Neighbors for brunch and then South Beach, right? Spent the day by the pool yesterday. Now we're gonna go to the actual beach. Where is Neighbors? Huh? Isn't Neighbors just like right there? Another gorgeous day in South Beach. Gorgeous day in South Beach. Look, the wind is like nice, it's perfect. Oh, it's a little windy. I'm not sure if I like sand in my face. It's been pretty nice so far. The weather's been amazing. It's a little windy today, so we'll see how it keeps up on the beach area. So I'm really excited about just relaxing and doing nothing for the next few days.
How do you like it, Ela?
It's fun.
What's your favorite part of the day? Going in the water?
Yeah. And jumping.
With Daddy?
Yeah.
We kept on going further and further and further because I was being a responsible parent.
Wow.
place, Asian fusion place, Tanuki in South Beach, Miami. Our foodie adventure continues with even more Asian food. Pretty trendy, hipster kind of place with like some Japanese art and Japanese graffiti. So, and the food would be just as interesting. It was good. It was really good. It was interestingly good. We had short ribs, we had pad see ew, we also had Thai dessert. Oh, and we also had dim sum too. The food was surprisingly good, but was it authentically Asian? No, it's more Asian fusion, but it was good. We thought the weather would be a little colder today, but it's actually very nice. So we may hit the beach again today.
There's a diner.
There's a diner.
Yeah, right there.
It looks like the Peach Pit. We are now in the hunt for a clear belt at Target for Ila, and I see a Target sign.
Necessary in life.
It's apparently necessary in life to get a clear belt. Clear belts at Target, Miami, South Beach, Florida. Clear belts, but we did get a St. Paddy's Day colored Grogu sweater, which is unnecessary in my opinion. So we are gonna keep on going, trying to find another place. Walked past this sidewalk restaurant here in South Beach and noticed people drinking super huge, super-sized bellinis, and then of course we have to stop and try it ourselves. And then throughout this whole thing, Eli is emotional, and we don't know how we're gonna finish this bellini thing. I wonder if we can ask to have it to go. Huge. We are on Lincoln Street. We finally made it to H&M. Lincoln Road Mall. Look at this place. This is the Lincoln Theater, which is now H&M. Ela's finally here. She's gonna get her clear belt